What's up everybody, my name is Phil, welcome back to Miranda Detailing. In today's video we're going to show you some products that you can use to spruce up the interior for spring. Alright guys, so the products that we're going to be showing you are from Dr. Beasleys. Their carpet and upholstery cleaner and their interior cleanser. Their carpet and upholstery cleaner and their interior cleanser. Their carpet and upholstery cleanser and their interior cleanser. Well anyway, these products are amazing at interior cleaning. We're going to show you this kind of gross Audi A6 that we did today and show you how this stuff can clean up that grungy interior. Now we're dealing with some pretty nasty stuff, especially around the seatbelt area where it goes over your shoulder in the driver's seat. You know what I'm talking about. That nasty little area there that gets a lot of dirt and grime from your hands pulling the seatbelt all the time. This stuff cleans it up amazingly. So let's check it out.
Okay, I know I said Audi, but the first vehicle we're going to show you is this Mercedes that we were working on. The interior was a little grungy and the cup holders and the cigarette lighter area had a little bit of a drink spill. So we sprayed the interior cleanser directly onto the surfaces and agitated with a brush. It dissolved any of the nasty drink spills that were in there and made it easy to clean up. Then we used a damp microfiber towel to mop up and rinse any of the cleaner. Don't forget to pull out that ashtray and clean it. There's lots of nasty stuff hiding under there. Amazing, isn't it? Then use your air compressor to blow everything dry. You'll find that the interior cleanser leaves a very nice finish with no excessive residue. You can also spray it directly onto the plastics and leather and wipe it down with a towel. Don't forget to clean the steering wheel. You can spray it directly onto the steering wheel and agitate with a brush, and then use a damp microfiber towel to mop away any of the dirt or grime. Then we use our blower to blow dry everything to make sure we didn't miss any spots. Now the door here has a lot of grime and fingerprints, so we spray the interior cleanser over the entire door panel and agitated everything with a brush. And then we use a microfiber towel in conjunction with the air compressor to blow everything dry. It left a beautiful finish. Now let's tackle the Audi's headliner and visor area. You can spray it directly onto the microfiber towel or onto the surface itself. Just make sure to even out the moisture so that it doesn't leave any type of lines or spots. If there are some hard to remove stains, spray the cleaner directly onto them. But again, know your limits. Some stains are not going to come up no matter what you do. Don't let those drive you nuts. Clean what you can and move on. Now this spot was really bad. We didn't know what it was. So we sprayed the cleaner directly onto it and used a damp microfiber towel to agitate as much as possible. We were very surprised that that spot came out as good as it did. So we moved on to the visor, spraying directly onto it to make sure to remove any of that grime and dirt. Now this area was especially nasty. So I sprayed the carpet and upholstery cleanser directly onto this area and agitated heavily. We were very impressed with its cleaning ability. It was able to remove that dirt and grime and buildup off of the plastics and off of the fabric.
Now, if you guys are fans of Dr. Beasley's products, you know that their packaging is, I think, some of the best packaging out there. Their bottles are super high quality, their labels are beautiful, and when it comes to the product itself, it's kind of a no-thrills product. It does the job that it's supposed to do. So the cleaners themselves don't really smell strong or have any type of caustic smell to them at all. In fact, it's just a nice, light, clean smell, and that's it. And the products are ready to use, so they're not really dilutable in this form. If you want to do that, you may lose some of the strength and the potency to these products, but a little goes a long way. I'm focusing on their carpet and upholstery cleanser and their interior cleanser, both designed to clean up the interior of your vehicle, handle stains, and all sorts of nasty grunge, especially on some of those delicate areas like the headliner, the visor, and that seatbelt area. If you want to check out the other Dr. Beasley's interior products, again, I'll have all of them listed down below. Coming into spring, you want to get your vehicle nice and cleaned up, and these products leave your interior looking and smelling amazing. With their conditioners, there's no greasiness, there's no residue. They leave a matte finish on the interior of your vehicle. Guys, if you're interested in any of the Dr. Beasley's products, go to Car Supplies Warehouse. I'll have links down below, and you can buy any of the Dr. Beasley's products right now on their online store. So go check it out. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, like it, share with others who may enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell. That way you get notifications each time our videos drop each week and you don't miss stuff. Alright guys, that's it for today. We'll see you next time. Have a safe week. Take care.